During the summer, I love to prep my freezer with smoothie pouches. This is fruit and veg that's been bundled together, ready to whack into the blender to make delicious smoothies. Our first one is a tropical paradise smoothie pouch. So I've put pineapple chunks with mango and banana. I pop it into the freezer, let them freeze overnight, which means you're going to get a lovely icy cold smoothie. Add it into the blender the next day, pour in some coconut milk and some honey if you fancy sweetening things up, but this one is particularly sweet and delicious already. I have to say this is my favourite because it feels naughty, but it's full of good things. Then we've got a berry blast smoothie pouch. So this is mixed berries. I've gone for blueberries and raspberries, but you can chuck in some blackberries in there too, maybe even strawberries. Into the blender with some Greek yogurt, some oat milk and some chia seeds. Again, sweeten with honey if you want to. You can even sieve this if you fancy a much more smooth smoothie, but I love the colour of this. And then we've got the very healthy one. This is a green power smoothie. So we've gone for frozen spinach, pineapple, banana, and then in with the coconut water. And I like to add a squeeze of lemon juice sometimes as well. The vibrancy of this is outrageous.